In his 2022 book The College Devaluation Crisis, Dr. Jason Wingard, president of Temple University in Pittsburgh, deals with the decline in the value of a university degree. According to Dr. Wingard, what disappointed the employers were the college graduates' abilities to apply knowledge and skills in real-world settings, their critical thinking skills, and their written and oral communication skills, areas in which fewer than 3 in 10 employers thought recent college graduates were well prepared, according to an Association of American Colleges and Universities study. That drives to the core of what universities are supposed to deliver. Without strong critical thinking and communication skills, what do they deliver? At the Small Business Analyst Society of Canada, we are dealing precisely with that problem. We believe the situation is exacerbated by the fact that our accounting profession does not understand who its members are, and what services our clients need. Surely these require critical thinking skills from our leadership. One of our key workshops deals with the net present value of a CPA designation in Canada. The findings are quite disappointing. In this webinar, we review the course of studies that lead to an SBA designation. Note that we do not advocate the end of universities or of the CPA designation in Canada. Instead, we believe that each must seriously self-assess and evolve. Leaders like Dr. Wingard may actually be the ones to drive that change. If university graduates lack critical thinking skills, how do we address that issue? We believe that business schools are too focused on mathematical modeling and treat economics and management as quasi-sciences. In reality, both are social sciences and require much more humility. Economic experts are much better at explaining what happened than predicting what is going to happen. We need more emphasis on soft skills learned through experience. The social sciences must be driven by data, but that is statistical data and not big data. While big data is sexy, we need to live in the real world. The way data is presented often suffers from cognitive biases that seek to use data to confirm the hypothesis underlying the study. For example, our country is made up of businesses that are much smaller than many of us would like to believe. There are many examples that confirm this bias, but as professionals, we must not perpetuate the misconceptions. There is a fundamental disconnect between the work that the 16,000 small CPA firms do and what the 20 largest firms do. For the vast majority of Canadian businesses, tax compliance is the main reason that Canadians use CPAs. While our universities do an acceptable job introducing students to taxation, it is work done by firms across the country, both large and small, that provide the experience required for CPAs to begin their lifelong journey of understanding tax. As a profession, we must understand that less than 45% of our biggest companies employ even one full-time CPA. That means that someone else is providing those services. Clearly, we need more focus on corporate finance and cash management. For the most part, this will continue to be delivered by fractional controllers.